I can't see. Is there red on her belly?
Yes, there is.
Okay, that's a black widow.
Man.
So we just found our black widow. Like I say, we don't kill things here. God put this creature on here for a reason. And we're going to turn her loose in the woods. Kind of far away from us. That's her egg sack there. I'm not a big spider fan, but if I'd grab her and flip her over, you see the hourglass. There'll be a red hourglass on the bottom of her abdomen. I don't know, you run into these occasionally. There's her egg sac. She's protecting it. And as you can see, I'm holding this and she ain't attacking me. That ain't in their nature. If I go messing with her, then that would be different. And then she'd have every right to attack me. She sees me now. See her? See how she backed up?
All right, we're gonna let you go.
Huh? Oh yeah.
I kill you. I kill you on it.
Can you zoom in on the fangs? They're really tiny.
No, definitely not.
Okay. She is something else. There's her web. She's swinging. She goes back up. This other tree looks like a good spot. Okay, there's her. She's got her eggs attached to her. I'll just break her web here. Okay, I got her eggs hanging there. Okay, she's free. She's free to be free.
See her eggs hanging from her?
Yeah, she's got attached to her web, the silk. Now she'll gather those eggs up and protect them. We disturbed her, but it's best to get them away from the house. Something might eat her. They still get ate too. It's a cruel world out here. Some kind of mushroom growing. Old one. There's another mushroom. By this old dead maple tree here. Well, have a wonderful day.
Have a good day. That was crazy.